This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. This show that reviews popular dishes with fast food chains, recreates them, and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine KFC Mozzarella Double, 2 Zinger fillets, bacon, mayo, tangy tomato sauce, and of course, a gloriously cheesy Zinger. Wow, this is awesomeness coated in double zingy awesomeness. Looks like the Colonel got his basil baggies mixed up and ended up with the Munchies. For $11.95, you know what, it's worth it. Everything is there and it all works well. All I've got to do is make it look similar but a bit cheaper. Even got the cheesy mozzarella stretch. Game on KFC. Game on. Chicken breast slice horizontally in half. Cover it in cling film and give it a good bash to flatten it out. Then place it in a pot of boiling water. Add 1 chicken stock cube, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. In a separate bowl, prepare the marinade. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of paprika, 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Place it inside an ice bath. Chuck the chicken in and coat both sides. Now add some flour to the marinade, give it a quick stir so it's nice and thick. Now you're going to use that as a batter. Make sure the chicken's thoroughly coated. Crush up some cornflakes in a blender, add it to a container with a top, along with 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion salt. Give it a good stir. Place the fillet inside, place the top on, and give it a good shake. Buttermilk, egg, give it a good mix. Dredge the fillet, and place it inside the container, and give it a good shake. Deep fry the veggie oil, cook through to a gold. Cut the base of a mozzarella ball. Should be about that. Now coat it in the Zinger flour. Firmly press it down. Dredge it in the egg. Put it back in the flour. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked. Now put the bacon into a cold pan to crisp it up to a sizzle. With your sauce, you can easily buy it in the store if you want it. For a good cheat sheet is the golden ratio, using these pre-made. Frank's Red Hot, 1 tablespoon, 6 tablespoons of Heinz tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of Heinz smoky butter. Flip the bacon, shallow fry the mozza patty, peel, mayo, bacon, mozza patty, some of that tangy sauce, and crown it up. Stick on a spit with cock meat sandwich. Came in at under half price. I heard there was a pig on a spit.
Well, I like the rump roast.
This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.